how to delete profile picture on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's episode I'll be showing you the ways on deleting profile picture on Facebook. So it's very simple. Make sure to stick with us till the end and update your application. If you have not updated, then go to your Play Store and then update your application. So type in Facebook, and if you see update instead of open, tap on it and wait for the application to be updated. If it's completely updated, click on the open button and log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, this is how it's gonna look like. Now, in order to remove the profile, tap on the profile from the top left hand side corner. After that, it's gonna take you to the profile page. Over here, what you need to do is tap on the profile that you want to actually remove, and as soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see different options right at the bottom. In order to remove it, you need to tap on see profile picture. Once you've done that, click on the three dot icon or right on top, click on delete photo. If you're sure about deleting it, tap on the delete button, refresh your application, and once again re-log in, and that is how you can delete profile picture on Facebook. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.